Our officers were called to an address in Milverton Road in Erdington on Saturday evening. Unfortunately, during the course of a search for a house there, we discovered the body of a 3-year-old child. A forensic post-mortem has been undertaken, which proved to be inconclusive. Further toxicology and forensic tests have been undertaken to help us discover the cause of death. During the course of the search, a hazardous substance was discovered in the house. Colleagues from West Midlands Fire Service assisted us to make the substance safe, and part of the forensic testing is to ascertain whether or not that hazardous substance played any role in the death of the child. A woman in her 20s has been arrested as part of this investigation. She's been interviewed as we speak and remains in custody.